My research area is into materials. Sustainability and care for environment is the main thread.
My research area revolves around the development of low-carbon technologies and how we can apply them as a material for sustainable construction.
Take, for example, the manufacture of Portland cement that is very popular in construction. Most people are not aware the contribution of carbon dioxide emission into the atmosphere by the manufacturing process. It's a very high energy intensive product. Much as we like it for infrastructure development, there are those negative aspects. CO2. There is also the landscaping and quarrying of those natural materials. The use of high energy, because you have to fire these materials to very high temperatures, about 1,500 degrees. So the whole manufacturing process of Portland cement has a huge impact on the environment. So for researchers like us, we have to address that issue.
This research area is really in line with the necessary regulations and guidelines by the government that stipulates a net zero carbon limit 2030, and also is in line with the United Nations Development Goals. Finally, is also in sync with the net zero carbon as stipulated by the Institute of Civil Engineers.
My researchers at the moment are working on geopolymers to realize cementation, whereby the cementation can be achieved without using cement. We have also made cements that are patented by the university using waste like such as waste paper, for example, or waste slag from the manufacturing of steel. So using byproducts and waste, we can also come up with cementitious materials that are the cutting edge of research for future generations.
I'm developing an alternative cementitious material using industrial wastes to stabilize or to strengthen soils that contain sulfate, rather than me using the Portland cement. So this new technology that we have developed, number one, is very cost-effective, environmentally friendly. We have discovered during the research that the application of this new cementitious material alternative binders to Portland cement is over 200% stronger in compressive strength compared to Portland cement. So we can see how the positives of using this developed cementitious binder, not only to suppress swell, also with respect to long-term and strength generation.